Hey y'all, what's cooking? Yep, it's that time again. Tonight I'm doing something a little bit different. You might like it, you might not, but I happen to love it. It's great breakfast food, and even though it's evening, that's what we're going to be having for dinner. I call it Beanie Weenie tacos. I got introduced to this at a little place where I used to get breakfast. They had what they called a Beanie Weenie taco. It's not what you think at all. Let's get over to the stove and see what I'm talking about. Hey, what's cooking? I didn't show any of the prep work. What I've got here, I've got two pots. This one's got green chilies and onions in it. This one has jalapenos, canned jalapenos, chopped up, and onions in it with some hot dogs. This one's got 4 hot dogs cut up in it. This one's got 10. This is the griddle for the tortillas, and I'm going to start making those. I say making them, you don't really make them, you just warm them up. What you do, you want to cook these for a little bit, not just to cook the hot dogs, but you want to make sure that you get the flavor, give the flavors a chance to meld nicely. And it's really that simple. I added a little water just to make sure that it had enough juice. You won't put that juice on the taco, obviously. And then once these start to boil a little bit, you just turn them down to a simmer. And we'll cook 2 cans of refried beans along with them. Put some beans on the tortilla, put some weenies and peppers and onions on the tortilla, a little bit of cheese, and you got a meal. So I'll come back when we're closer to ready. Okay. These are simmering. I've got both pans on low. They should be done enough. There'll be plenty of flavor. Dozen tortillas ready to go. Got the refried beans heating up. By the time these are warm, this will be ready. And then we can eat. I don't want to cook those too fast. Warm them up slow. And that's how you do that. And I'll show you what everything looks like when it comes together. I kind of made a mess over there. Can you see it? It's unlike me. So, you basically just make a tortilla or a taco. Beans on the bottom. Got the weenies on. And then the cheese. How is it? Oh, it's yum. Yum, yum, yum. I know it don't sound like it, but it's good. Y'all gotta try this.